What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shell-GPT in Ubuntu Linux terminal. Let's get started. Alright, for this, I'm going to use this GitHub. This is the GitHub repository for Shell-GPT. If you scroll down, they have the README file here at the bottom, and that walks through the installation. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to always do a sudo update. So I'm going to say sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Press enter, enter your password, let it finish. Alright, so once the update finishes installing, I'm going to clear the screen. The next step is to get our Python 3 version. Shell-GPT depends on Python 3, so I'm going to say Python 3-v, and it is actually Python 3-V. And as you can see, I have Python 3.10 installed in my system. So the next step is to install Python 3 pip. So I'm going to say sudo apt install Python 3 pip -y. Press enter. As Shell-GPT will be installed through a Python pip package manager. Alright, so once the installation is done, clear the screen. The next step is to verify the version of pip. So let's do pip 3 -v, and it's actually V. And as you can see, we're running pip 22.0. So the next step is to install Shell-GPT through pip. So I'm going to say pip install Shell-GPT, and I'm going to say user, and I'm going to press enter. Alright, after successful installation, we need to generate an API key so we can use Shell-GPT. If you haven't created one, here's the link. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Basically, you have to go to the browser and enter this link here, platform.openai.com account, and here click on API keys and create new secret key. Create secret key. Go ahead and copy the key. Copy the key. Click done. Go back into the terminal. We need to, if I do ls -l .local, notice that I have a bin directory and a lib directory, so I want to cd into the bin directory. Do ls, and that is my ChatGPT binary file. So I'm going to execute it from here. Let me make sure that it can be executed. Yes, it can. So let's run it from here. So I'm going to say sgpt. Actually, I have to say Python 3 sgpt, and now I need to enter the API key. So I'm going to do Ctrl-V and press enter. So now you should be able to run sgpt. So I'm going to say Python 3 sgpt. What is the mass of the sun? And there we go. We have Shell-GPT running. Now the thing is that we need to specify or be in the directory that Shell-GPT is in order to run it. I don't believe that we can run it from here. Let me see. Python 3 sgpt. It doesn't know what it is, and the reason is that we need to add it to the user environment path. So if you do echo path this is your path environment variable, and so we need to add the path to ChatGPT, to Shell-GPT, and to Python to this variable. Okay, so let's do that. For that, I'm going to use VI, and I'm going to open the batch RC file, and I'm going to press the letter J in order to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. Okay, now I'm going to do $, shift and number 4. It's going to take me to the end of the file. Letter A to go into insert mode, and press enter to create a new line. Here I'm going to say export path equals path column, and I believe Shell-GPT is inside the local bin file directory, and we also need the Python directory, which I forgot to get, so I'm going to save this temporarily, and then I'm going to say which Python 3, and it is inside the users bin directory. So I'm going to go back into batch RC, letter A, and I'm going to say user bin Python 3. Alright, so escape, column WQ to save, press enter. So now we need to make those changes effective, so I'm going to say source the batch RC, press enter, and now let's try to run Shell-GPT from here. So I'm going to say SGPT, and if you pass the, I believe, the S option, if you do -H, which is for help, SGPT dash help, is going to print the help file. Let's do it again. It's going to print the help file, and notice that we have some interesting options here. One of them is the shell or S option, which generate and execute shell commands. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out of here, and I'm going to say SGPT -S, write a shell script to calculate the first 10 prime numbers, and let's see. Here we go. Shell execute shell command, absolutely, and that's the first 10 prime numbers. All right, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoy.